This 2016 Riverside Retro 177 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Riverside is 18 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, stovetop burner, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, external shower, refrigerator, leveling jacks, air conditioning, awning, microwave, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Riverside Retro 177 is 2,530 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.